Today I'm going to share with you guys what it's really like to live here in Asia as a dividend nomad. I'm going to take you through my entire cost of living for the month of August and show you how much I actually spend to live here. And I think you're going to be shocked by how much I spent. Well, by how little I spent. So I'm going to share all that with you guys in today's video. And if you're new here, my name is John. I'm an American that's been living abroad for nearly 20 years now. And right now I'm currently living in China. And I can live off my dividends. And I share all my investing stuff here 100% for free. I share all my portfolios. I even have a free course here on the YouTube channel for free. So be sure and check all that out in case it interests you. The reason why I'm sharing this is because I believe everyone can do this. There's so many people who want to break free from 9 to 5. And I believe this is really accessible for anyone if you're willing to step out of your comfort zone, do something a little bit different like I happen to do. And so anyway, let's get into the video, and I'm going to share all this stuff with you, and I'll show you guys some stuff about all the things that I spend money on. So first of all, when it comes to living here, the first thing I obviously have to pay for is for my housing, right? So for my housing costs, I spent 1,500 Chinese renminbi on rent. I'll tell you the US dollar cost too. Utilities, I spent 600 RMB on that, 200 on phone and internet, 120 for a house cleaner. I have a lady who comes and cleans my house. That's a total of 2,420 Chinese renminbi, or 340 US dollars, all in for all of my housing needs. $340 for all of my housing. That is crazy, crazy cheap, right? And my house is quite decent, right? It's not bad. Now, when it comes to food, I spent more on food than I actually spent on my housing, which is crazy, right? But eating out, I spent 1,747, 8 on some snacks, 317 on coffee, 22 on drinking water, 775 on groceries. I spent 100 on some fitness supplements, and it's a total of 2,969, or 416 US dollars. So I spent $416 on food, which I could have done it a lot cheaper if I didn't eat out so much. But hey, I was lazy and didn't want to cook. So I also have some miscellaneous expenses, which I cover here. Shopping, I spent 670 on shopping. I do have kids, and they asked me for some money, of course. So I sent some money to my kids, $1,426 I sent to them, or not dollars, renminbi, 1,426. Haircut, I paid 450 RMB for 1 year. So for the next whole year, I don't need to pay for a haircut again. And then for the gym membership, also my gym membership also expires in August, and I had to renew that. So 1,380 for a 1-year gym membership. So the haircut and the gym are one-time things that I won't have to pay again for a whole nother year. And transportation, I didn't spend any money on gas. I do have a car, but it's been sitting for like 2 months. Charging, I have an electric bike. I didn't charge it because I don't need to. Like, I paid the money last month and I still have money on the card, so it's not expired yet, so it lasted a whole month. And I spent 5 RMB, which is less than $1, on parking for my car. When I went out to eat, I drove my car, paid to park. So in total, $39.31 for the miscellaneous stuff, $551, which usually it's about $200 is what I spend there instead of $500, but I had to pay extra for the gym and the haircut thing. So in total, all in for everything for the month of August, I spent 9,320 renminbi, or 1,306 US dollars, all in for an entire month. And that's just living a normal, regular, middle-class lifestyle. And typically, I spend about $1,000 to $1,200 per month. But this month I spent more, like I said, because the gym card and the haircut thing. But you can see how cheap it is to live this life. And you don't need a lot of money to generate that much money in dividend income so you can live anywhere. Like if I go to Vietnam or Cambodia or Thailand or Philippines, it'll be even cheaper than what I'm spending here right now. And I think anybody can come up with enough money to be able to generate $1,000, $1,200 a month in dividends. It just takes some time, patience, and consistency. And if you want to see how I do it, again, I put all that on my channel here on my videos. And also have a free Discord. You can go in there if you'd like. And I have a free newsletter. Those links are below, so be sure and check that out. I also have a book. I wrote a book about my story, how I went from a lot of chaos, crazy stuff going on in my life, to even being broke and homeless, to now living a life of freedom abroad. I can go anywhere I want to go without worrying about a paycheck. And it's all thanks to the new style of dividend investing that we have today. And it's working for me, and I think it'll work for you. So be sure, check out all that stuff. The links are all down below. The videos are on the channel for free. Check all that out. And hope I see you guys on the next video.